Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back my Christy Art Center. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful painting. My topic is success because every human beings are needed to success. So I'm going to try success painting. I'm using here a soft pastel where have see this one product Camlin Artist soft pastel. Here have 36 sheet. How can I use see and enjoy my painting? But I see my painting raw materials are here. First I'm going to open my painting book, I mean drawing book. Let's look a diary here, brand. Okay, I have already draw this and this one also. Lastly painting, I need to use here for border paper tape. This, see how can I use it? At first you can use very sincerely. How much you need to take a border? That depends on you. I need half inch border. That's right. This one 1 inch border, 1 inch paper tape. So I'm using half inch. So let's finish to take my border. See, let's look at this. Now I need to open my color. 36 sheet with soft pastel. Use also soon. Now see how can I use my friends. Let's see. At first I'm using here lemon yellow for background. I mean sky. It's a sun rising time. After color use, I need to blend by the airbud which side have cotton. You can use like this, just one step. I'm doing blend at first light color and dark color leaf. See, now mixing the dark color. See, it's look like blur. Again I was use little bit of, and now I'm blending with my finger. You guys, you know, AirPods use then better. You should use with your finger. That is better for you. See, it's easy for blend with your finger. See, just one touch and it's finished to blend. Now I started to success mode painting. See, blending, how easy to do with your finger. My painting's perspective is finished now. I'm in my subject. My subject is, you already know, subject is success. I was trying to draw so area within main character. I was use here a black marker to draw a structure. Friends, please subscribe my channel if you are new, then and please support me. Going to do again. My painting almost finished. I was doing loose color, and now I remove that paper tape. Friends, you should do very carefully because this kinds of tape very hard and strong. So friends, please comment my painting how was good, and if you enjoy my video, then don't forget to comment. And what you need another type painting, please comment on the comment section. Don't forget to share my video. Now I try to show you my full painting. Thank you. Love you all guys. Bye bye. See you soon.